Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to log out of Gmail on a PC or laptop, and you'll have to tap on our profile here. Then I'm going to sign out for account. There we're going to tap on continue. Then from there we're going to choose an account that we sign in. Not sign in, but we are going to either choose an account that we would like to sign in, or we can decide to remove an account and wait to remove or both accounts. And from there, we're going to decide to either sign in, and we are going to be able to sign in back to another account. And thank you very much for watching this video. As you can see, if we decide to remove an account, we're going to decide on which of the accounts that we would like to remove. Let's say decide to remove this one. Then if I tap on yes, remove, I'm not going to be able to see it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.